Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we are going to see how to make the oval shape with a crochet hook. So in order to make the oval shape we are going to make a foundation chain. In order to make the slip knot you insert the crochet hook like this, and you make the slip knot, and then I'm going to make 7 chains. You can make the number of chains you want. And 7. And now the first rule is that we are going to in order to make the oval shape we are going to work on both sides of the foundation chain. So I insert the hook into the second from the hook chain, and I make I'm going to use single crochet, so I'm going to make the first single crochet, and I'm going to make a single crochet in each one of the chains. And now I'm at the edge, because in order to make the oval shape we're going to increase in both edges. So I'm the first edge, so I'm going to make 3 single crochet here into the same chain. And then, as I've said, I'm going to turn and work here into the other side of the foundation chain. So I'm going to make also here 1 single crochet in each of the chains. And now I'm at the other edge, as I have already made a single crochet here beginning my work. I'm going to make into the same space, into the same stitch, two more single crochets. Here we are, because we have to have 3 increases in each side. Now we're going to use the spiral technique, which means that we're not going to make this slip stitch, but we are going to continue. So I'm going to make 1 single crochet into each of the stitches. And now I am at the edge. So as I've said before, while you are working while you are working on both sides of the chain, in the beginning you make 3 stitches into the same stitch in both edges. Now from second round and on, we're going to use here 1, 2, 3 stitches to increase. So we're going to make 2 stitches into the first stitch here, we're going to make 2 stitches into the next one here in the very edge, and 2 stitches here into the next one, and we're going to make from the sides, we're going to use in each side, we're going to make 1 stitch into each stitch. So here I'm going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch, in each one of the stitches, until I arrive at the edge here, and I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 stitches, and in each one of those 3 stitches I'm going to make 2 single crochets. If you change the kind of stitch to here, and 2 into the next one, as I've said, as I was saying, if you change, in this case I'm using the single crochet, but if you change the stitch, the way of working is the same. You use 3 stitches to make 2 stitches you want to make, for example, a half double crochet. Nothing changes. It's going to change anything here. So throughout the sides I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each one of the stitches. Until we arrive here at the edge, because as I've said, we increase to the edges here and here. So here we have 1, 2 and 3 stitches, and we're going to make 2 stitches in each one of those 3. So I'm going to make 2 single crochets here in this stitch, 2 single crochets into the next one, and 2 single crochets into the next one. And then I'm going to go to the side, in which I'm going to make 1 stitch into each stitch. So here I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each one of the stitches. So this is the way of proceeding. And now I'm next to the edge, which is here, here and here. We're going to make 2 single crochets in each one of those 3 stitches, to here, to here, and to here. And then I'm going to make 1 stitch in each of those here, and now I'm at the other edge, so I'm going to use those 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to make 2 single crochets into each one of these 3 stitches. And now I'm going to make 1 stitch in each of this of the side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.